All right, everybody, how's it going? This is Landon with freetvandmovies.com, and today is September 10th, and it's been a very rough day for the cord-cutting revolution. Everybody's favorite APK application, TerrariumTV, has officially been shut down. The developer just quit on us, no notice or anything. And there's a lot of people, actually, there's over 3 million people across the world that were using TerrariumTV every day that are now SOL. So they don't know where to go. Luckily for you, I'm well versed in all these different types of applications, and I've been doing a lot of research, in fact, all day trying to find the best one. So the one that I've found so far is the best is called OneBoxHD. And I'm going to show you from start to finish how to download it, install it, and use it. Now, if something better comes along, you better believe I'm going to do another video and show you that one. But for now, this is a great one, and let's get to it. So first thing you want to do from the home page is you want to go find the downloader tab here. You want to hit on that. It's in your apps and channels. All right. It's going to open up here. We're going to move, as you see here, we're going to move up the red dot to the URL, and we're going to delete, not clear, delete most of it, and we're going to type in the URL oneboxhd.org. Write this down, take a picture. OneBoxHD. I mean, this is new for me too, so bear with me. Okay. This part's a little janky, so pay close attention. We're going to scroll down the red circle there, the red mouse, and you want to find where it says Yep, I already missed it. So let's go all the way to the top again. See, I'm new to this too. All right, so we want to find where it says okay, right here. The first bullet point, you can go through this link. So see how it's highlighted in blue, so go ahead and hit that. Now this APK, you can also download onto your cell phones, iPhone or Android. You can also download to your computer. So let's go ahead, and then the next step, you want to slowly scroll down. This part's a little tricky, and you want to find where it says official link. I know it's weird, but just we're all going through this together. So go ahead and hit official link, and it's going to download the APK. Now, when it's done, we're actually going to go ahead and move it down and hit install. Okay. Now, what you want to do, anytime you download an APK, you want to hit done, not open. And the reason being is you want to actually delete the APK and leave the file on there. So we're going to delete and hit delete again, and that's done. Now what you want to do next is we want to go ahead and hit the home button on the remote right there. And we're going to go down to your apps and games to see all. One little trick, if you want to get to the bottom, you just hit to the left there and it shoots you to the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and open that up. Now here's a weird thing. They told us to download us the latest version. It's going to make us do another new version. This part I don't understand, so I'm learning how to get around this, but for now this is how we do it. So let's go ahead and hit OK. And it's going to download the latest version. I'm going to hit install again. And what's going to happen is, I don't know why they do this, there's going to be two little logos that say OneBox. So we need to get rid of the old one. Don't ask why, it's just weird. Okay, now we're going to hit done. Actually, we're going to hit open. Let's try open. Do you want to remove the old version? Now, this part was really weird because when I hit the select button, nothing happened. So I'm going to leave it alone for a second, for about 10 seconds, and see if this just disappears. Because last time when I tried to hit OK, nothing happened, and then it just appeared. So, yep, see, I can't, nothing works. It's just going to all of a sudden appear. Very strange. So give it a minute. I actually hit the back button a couple times, and that's what got rid of it. Dude, that is one janky little thing. But anyway, So what I want you to do now is I want you to go to the home button here, okay? And we're going to go into settings. I'm going to go to applications. We're going to go down to manage applications. And we're going to go to OneBox. Now see how there's two? Look at the version to the right, version 1.0 and 1.01. Let's go ahead and uninstall 1.00, okay? So let's go ahead and install that. I know that one's done. All right. Now, so the only one that's left is the 1.01. That's one you want. All right. So let's go ahead and go back to the home button here. I'm assuming people are shaking their heads right now. This is ridiculous. Anyway, it's a sick app. You'll see. So it's showing up in recents. I'm going to show you how to move it to your homepage. So go ahead and hit see all. One little trick is when you hit it to the left, it'll take you to the bottom there. And then I want you to hit the 3 horizontal lines on the remote and then go to move to front. And now your OneBox 1.01 is on the front. Now, here comes the good part. This app is pretty sick. Let's go ahead and open it up. You've got movie updates there. So check this out. Let's just pick the first one, Jurassic Park, okay? You want to hit select. And this is how you play a movie. Now you want to move it. Whoop, there's a little ad there, so you just reverse arrow key out of that. You want to move over to videos, and you'll see there's a 780, a 1080p. Wow, nice, which is great. So you're going to go ahead and hit that. All right. Now, real quick, see where it's check mark where it says play with Pro Player? You can go ahead and uncheck mark that, and then just move it over. You can actually download, by the way. Go ahead and hit play, and it's actually really quick compared to Terrarium, which is kind of a surprise. But it's loading now. It's going to play in a second. Actually, let's do it. There we go. I want to show you something, actually. Let's do that again. I'm going to go down to this one, and I'm going to go to custom, okay? Why am I going to go to custom? Because you can choose your application. Now, I have VLC Player and MX Player Pro, but you guys are all familiar with Terrarium TV and Yes Player, so you're going to see the user interface is going to look the same. So go ahead and hit Yes Player, and now it's going to play the movie, and see, does that look familiar? Now, one thing that's interesting about this when it plays, as soon as it starts up, is that you can actually fast forward it a lot easier, and it picks right up where it comes out.
Our ability to locate and capture those animals safely would increase tenfold. We need your handprint to access the system. What I really need, Claire.
So the user, the Yes Player is the same. You can just skip right through, and it picks right. All right. I don't know why the Japanese writing was there. Oh, because I picked HC, so it wouldn't be there if it's that. So now let's go through the things here. Solo, we got solo movie here. So let's go over to videos, get rid of that ad, move it down. And we want to go to custom. We want to play Yes Player. It should default to Yes Player. Okay. Now we want to move it down. And there's no buffering time when you fast forward. It's crazy. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. So that's one thing that's actually better in Terrarium. I can't believe it. Something better in Terrarium. Okay, so you get the idea there. Now let's go through one of the I sound like such an idiot right now. All right, so you've got your genres. I just have it checkmarked to all genres. All right, let's go over here, and you've got, oh, sorry. So the upper left-hand corner, I'm tired, it's been a long day. The upper left-hand corner, you'll see the 3 horizontal lines. You hit that, and you've got your different categories for TV shows. So let's go to popular, or let's go to new, all right? They're all in here. So when that ad pops up, you just get out of it. Jack Ryan, all right? Let's do that. Okay, we'll go over to videos. Got all the different episodes. We want to, I guess we can play and see if it goes right to, nope, see, it goes to Yes Player. You won't have this problem because you don't have it on there, but let's cancel. So, see, with the other players, you can't fast forward. So let me go back here. I'm going to uninstall those, but let's go to Pilot. Yeah. Go down to custom, yes player. I think yours will automatically default to yes player, by the way. So let's hit this. Very quick in 1080p. Cuts right through. Great. So I'm stoked. This is almost as good as Terrarium. And let's go back. I don't want to get in trouble. All right. Now we'll go to the different categories here. Oh, search. So same thing as the other. Wonder if this works. Whoop. All right, let's see. Let's go to search. Go down to Ozark. Let's see if I just do OZA and see if that pops up. Dope, there it is. You've got videos. You got... Okay, I think we got it. So this one is pretty sick. It's got everything. Let's go to Ozarks here. I'm very happy, by the way. Hope you guys are too. Ooh. I don't even want to see what that is. Let's go back over to tabs here one more time. You can download it, I'm telling you. So with your different categories for movies, popular ratings, downloads, histories, top feature, I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, you can favorite things. How do you favorite? I wonder if you just hold it in. Like I said, I'm learning to. Okay, we're gonna exit out of it. All right, so I do not know how to favorite something yet. We'll figure it out. I'm sure we can figure it out too. Anyway, this is OneBoxHD, and thanks for being patient, but it looks pretty sick to me. There's a lot of good stuff on there, and put some feedback. Give me some thumbs up if you like the video on my YouTube page, and thanks for being patient. Bye.